This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use find and replace in Google Docs. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. If you want to use the find and replace feature in Google Docs, this is how you do it. You can either access it through the edit menu, or you can use a keyboard shortcut. So in the edit menu, you'll find and replace at the bottom. And then there is a keyboard shortcut here. On the Mac, it's going to be Command-Shift-H. And on Windows, it's going to be Control-Shift-H. And you click on that, and then you type in the word that you want to find. And I'm just going to put lorem since this is in Latin. And it shows you that it's found 4 examples of this word, 1 out of 4. So you can also match the case. So if you only want to find the examples of lorem that are capitalized, you click that and notice that I've only have 2 examples of that. If I just want to replace the word period or find that word period, then I can deselect that and then say I want to replace that word with hello. I'm going to type hello. And then you can either replace one by one or you can replace everything. And so I'm going to select replace all. And now all of the lorems have been replaced with hello. So you see one here, you see one here, and then the other 2 are in here somewhere. So that is how you use find and replace in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.